It's the beginning of October. I am in Savigno, a small town south of Bologna, on the hills, on the mountains, about 600 meters of elevation, and I'm here for a truffle hunt. This town is famous for truffles. Let's see. This is the center of Savigno. It's a very small town, and but there are a lot of food shops as well, like this one, making tortellini, sausages. There are a few bread shops as well. Now it's 9:30, so it's quite early. This is the main piazza. Today, before heading to the woodlands, we started the day with a lecture about truffles.
So, the living being is this. The living being is a network of little tiny dried truffles. So successful that
Today we were rather lucky because we found this sweet man who gave us some of his good wine.
vino. Fantastic. Giuseppe, dice Gabriele della linea di Elizia, struttura Careta, i nostri due piloti.
Andiamo a trovare una software.
Facciamo vedere.
Now we are meeting Giuseppe. Giuseppe has been a dog breeder, truffle dog breeder all his life, and a truffle hunter. So he makes an extremely good guide for this type of tour.
Dai che andiamo qua. Sempre lì, no, andiamo.
Bianca, our dog, is looking for the white truffles.
Ehi, piano, ehi, che me ne rompi. Aspetta. Dove? No, stop. L'hai già tirato indietro?
Adesso non lo so di preciso perché ne ho regalata, non è ancora venuto. Ho regalato che mi ha fatto dei favori.
Truffle smell.
Vieni qua, vieni Bianca. Piano, ehi, piano.
Questa qua vedi è buona.
Figuring out that all in all this barely goes about 10 grams.
Questa qua è buona da fare il
4, 5, 6 grams.
So this is the end of the truffle hunt with the dogs. We are heading to a truffle processing facility. There is oil, black truffle oil. This is honey. There is a salt truffle. truffle salt. These are pasta with truffle, more pasta. There's some porcini up here. This is cream, say cream of black truffle, summer black truffle. This is a condiment, probably oil, white truffle oil. Truffle sauce, which is probably other mushroom like porcini and truffles. So we are ready to go into the truffle production area. We have to dress up for the occasion.
We have to enter the production area, production market. The since this morning.
So we're inside the company. There they seem to be taking pictures of mushrooms, the truffles. The smell, powerful smell of mushroom.
So it's cold in here, but a few fresh mushroom for the restaurant of the area. These are galletti, okay, which are chanterelle, and these are finferle. Frankly, I don't know.
King trumpet?
In my black uncinatum. What we have now, we have two species available of truffle right now, which are the black truffle uncinatum, which is called Burgundy mainly in the United States. Okay. As you can see, this truffle here, you can have one, you can touch one if you want. They are not clean, as you can see. There is still soil, okay, because they still have to be washed. We ship them washed, obviously, but since they preserve better with the soil, okay, we wait until the last minute to wash them. Let me open that. So let's see if we have.
Sorry, I thought you were giving me.
Look at this.
The towel are
Beautiful.
necessary to keep them moist as much as possible. L'umidità.
And they wouldn't care. You want to see a new arrival? Fresh arrival? Just arrived.
Appena arrivato.
Oh my gosh. It's massive.
Questo te lo delineato.
Now they're going to trim it. Again, a new arrival.
Puoi considerare che dalle Langhe in giù
Quindi la stagione ovviamente sarà cominciata prima nel centro Italia.
tendenzialmente negli anni, sì, tendenzialmente parte. Want to play by car?
So at the end of our mushroom truffle tour, I bought this clarified butter. It's a butter with black truffle, burro e tartufo nero d'estate, and I paid 35 euros for 200 grams. And this is passed with egg pasta, tagliatelle. So today tour inside this factory was pretty interesting. Appennino Food Truffle is one of the largest producer of truffle and mushroom in Italy, in Savigno. Very interesting to see